Hey there, who wants to know how to make time fly to supersize your business? Horne-Ellstrom here, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Guess what? People will never remember the details about your business. People won't even remember the details about you. The one thing that they will remember is how you made them feel. They might not notice this at a conscious level, especially when you're dealing with business. People like to be rational and above board and serious and have statistics and data and everything to justify their reason for doing business with you, being involved with your business at all. But the truth is, people do business with people that make them feel a certain way, that make them usually feel good. Fun, for most of us, feels good. So one of the best ways to help time fly is because time flies when you're having fun, right? That expression, time flies when you're having fun, comes from, actually it was first documented in the 1800s, but Shakespeare used something similar back in the 1600s, and Alexander Pope as well had a similar saying. So this is an expression that's been around with us and a feeling that's been around with us human beings for centuries. And anything that's been around for centuries has obviously impacted us. Well, how can you make time fly for your business to help grow your business? It's pretty easy. Make sure that everyone involved in your business, including you, is having fun. Because if you're having fun, if you're enjoying what you're doing, that's the way you want to feel. We want to go to work. We want to do something in our lives that feels good to us. Fun feels good for most of us, right? And fun, like anything else, is defined by each one of us. What's fun for me might not be fun for you. How do you make sure that that's happening in your organization? Well, with respect to yourself and your employees, make sure that people are in the right jobs for them. Make sure that they're spending the majority of their time working in their genius zone, doing things that they love or are just naturally awesome at. Because when we're doing something that we love and are really good at, time goes by really quickly. It's less stressful. It's a lot more fun. When it comes to your customers, make sure that they're having an amazing experience. People come to us to solve problems for them. They want the problems solved. They don't really care about how it gets done a lot of the time. They just want the problem to go away as quickly, easily, inexpensively, efficiently, and effectively as possible. If you can do it for them, if you can offer a done for them service so they don't even have to deal with the problem, they just come to you, they've got the problem, you solve the problem for them, that would be ideal and that would be fun, and time would fly really fast for them given that kind of an interaction. They just come to you, they get the result they want. Boom. Instant gratification, right? Everybody's seeking instant gratification. So ensuring that your customer experience is fun for them. Now, you might think it's fun, but if they don't think it's fun, then you're not hitting the mark. It has to be about how they feel, how you make them feel. And another way to make sure that time flies and helps you to supersize your business is with respect to everyone that you interact with. Not only your customers, but your vendors, other agencies, other institutions. Again, remember, it's how you make each of these entities and organizations, the people in them, not the entity itself, but the people in them feel. If they feel awesome every time they interact with your organization, time will go by really fast. They'll want to help you. They'll want to help you grow and build your business. People want to help people that they like. People do business with businesses and people in those businesses that they like and respect. So if you want time to fly by helping to create more fun in your organization, look for it at every level in your business. Make sure that you're thinking about how every interaction that you're having makes the other person feel. Not you necessarily feel, but them feel. But then you want to feel good and have fun as well, right? So that's it, how to make time fly to supersize and grow your business. Make sure everyone in your organization is having fun and that you're paying attention to how you make them feel. Because how you make them feel is going to be the one thing that they actually remember on a subconscious level. And whatever we can get into someone's subconscious is going to serve them and us better. Have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where did it come from? How might you be able to use it and apply it to grow and build the business that you're trying to grow and build this year? That's it. Have a fantastic day. If I can help you in any way, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, be with you tomorrow.